runs fast.
David. Can you bring him a cracker? He said, yeah. Can you bring him? They're on top of the table. He's a little acrobat. Put him a little bit back in the light right there. Go back in the sun. Right.
Just his eye.
Just hand him the cracker. See if he's the fastest. There it is. The fastest cracker eater in the world. Yeah. If you ever need any paper shredding.
Yeah. Got it. Leave it on the floor.
See, give him his little candy again. Or... Oh.
Nope.